Alright everybody, I am just doing a quick unboxing of the Tactile Turn Overlander, which was a limited edition release for March of 2021. Not limited production, just a limited edition. They aren't going to permanently make it. So I pulled these two items out of a padded USPS envelope, and pretty much there was like a packing slip in there, and then these two things. This is like a stainless steel business card that just gives some information, I guess, to keep with your limited edition pen. And then this is the box it comes in, and it was just kind of in the box like this. So I did already slide this out once, but I haven't pulled it out or anything yet. So definitely beautiful color. That's like most of the reason why I bought it was for this color and the texture that's on this clip. They posted a photo of it on social media, and that kind of got my attention because of the texturing that they put on this clip. But it's just a beautiful color combo. It kind of reminded me of the River's Edge Cutlery limited edition spider codes that they do, which I have a couple of. So really nice color. It's got a different texture to it, much different texture. And I'm just gonna show you a comparison here. This is my kind of EDC pen. I use this. This was the first Tactile Turn pen that I owned. It's from 2019, and it's a bronze full-size bolt. So you can just see the difference in size and the difference in the appearance there. So I like the clip on these. I didn't at first, and if you saw my review of this pen here, then I was kind of not sure how long it was going to last. But now I've had this pen now for, I want to say, about a year, and I don't carry it every day in my pocket. I do sometimes, depending on what I'm doing, but I do write with this every day. It kind of sits on in my office, and it gets used quite a bit, and I've come to really actually like this pen in the action. And so I really like this this clip. They have a new pen that they call the Slim. It's a little bit of a narrower barrel, and then it has this clip on it, but it's a bolt. And so I was gonna get one of those, but then I saw this guy and I knew this is the one that I wanted. So all these Tactile Turns that I own, and I'll put the other one, the mini bolt, up there. All of these have this texture on here that you can you can hear my fingernail on it. And then this one does a little bit, but it's like you can't see it as much. It's really interesting. Now, one thing, the first thing I noticed here is on my bronze especially, and then on these two titaniums, you can even see the seam where the tip screws off to redo your refills. And on this Overlander, you can really see that seam. I'm guessing it's the color, since it's a real dark color and it's matte. You can see it, but let me unscrew it here. See if maybe it just needs screwed in a little bit more. And once again, this, just like all these Tactile Turns, it's not a cage spring, so that spring can fly out. So you gotta be careful taking this apart in public. Oh, it needs a little bit of oil on that. But no, that's just how it is. So yeah, you can definitely see a little bit more of that seam there. Not that that's a bad thing at all. The machining still is, from what I can tell, just looking at it, it's flawless. Okay, so another thing, these actions, these side clicks, or I think they're called side clicks, yeah. You can hear how much louder this is, since it's brand new, and then one that's been worn in. You can hear how much louder, and this one I'm sure will get quieter is, you know, dust and pocket lint and stuff get in there. But I definitely am impressed by it. I like the Cerakoting on it. It seems well done. I've seen other things, car parts and stuff, Cerakoted, and knives, and I've seen flaws in it, and this one seems like it was done pretty well. We'll have to see how it holds up. There are lots of different types of Cerakoting. There's ones that you just spray on and dry. There's ones that you spray on and then cook on. And so we'll see which one is more durable here. The only other comment I have about the packaging is it's kind of disappointing to see them going to this after this is what the old packaging was. You got this cool little box that showed you what it was, and then a nice metal tin. And this tin, you know, let me, of course it's not gonna come out of there, but there's still the little insert there for your pen. Maybe that was for this one. Yeah, it was for this one. And so then you had a metal tin that if you wanted to store it in there, if you collected them, but now, not that it's bad, I'm kind of surprised to see, you know, a pen that is 50% more than your standard Tactile Turn pens. It's $150 for this, and you get a little cardboard box. But no problem, it's not a big deal. Obviously you're after the pen, not the case, but just a comment. So yeah, those are my first impressions, and I will post a more detailed review after I've used it for a week or two. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Thanks.